Hi, thank you for clicking. In this session, you will study about much and many. Okay, let's see to the first one, much and many. When we use much and when we use many. Okay, let's see this one. We use many with plural count nouns in positive, negative, or questions. What is plural count nouns? Plural count noun is countable nouns or the things that we can count, but it is in plural, not in singular. For example, I have so many comic books. I have many brothers and sisters. Indonesia has many beautiful islands. Okay, that's in positive. How about in negative? Okay, I don't have many comic books. I don't have many games. Okay, how about in questions? Okay, for example, how many eggs are there? How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many participants in the competition? How many oranges are there in the bowl? Okay. How many pets do you have at home? How many school subjects do you have at school? Okay, next. Okay, how about much? Okay, we use much for non-count nouns. Okay, it means that we use much for uncountable nouns. For example, I don't have much money. I have much money. Do you have much money? Okay, so we can use much in positive, negative, or questions. Okay, I give you another example. How much money is there in the honeybee jar? How much money do you have? How much money did you spend last weekend? Or how much sugar do you need for coffee? Or how much salt that your mom needs for her cooking? Or how much shampoo is there in a bottle? Okay, so we use much for uncountable nouns. Okay, let me remind you one more time. We use many for countable nouns and we use much for uncountable nouns. We can use them in positive, negative, or question. Okay, let's see much and many. Let's move every picture in the column much or many. Okay, rice in much or many? Yeah, rice in much. I eat much rice. I have much rice at home. Okay, now how about water? Yeah, water in much. How much water do you drink a day? Okay, and then tomatoes. Yeah, tomatoes in many because it is countable nouns. We can count these things. Okay, for example, I need many tomatoes to make sandwiches. Or I bought many tomatoes last week. Okay, let's next. Okay, look at the picture. Rice, coffee, and then ice cream into much, tomatoes into many, and then biscuit or candy into much, and then bread into much, and then biscuit into many, biscuits. And then what's that? Mushrooms. Yeah, mushrooms. I like to buy many mushrooms. And then butter. Yeah, butter. How much butter do you need to make some cakes? Okay, and the last one is water. I need much water. Do you need much water? How much water do you drink a day? Okay, let's see. Okay, now in pairs, ask and answer. Okay, let's practice in Zoom, yeah? using much and many. For example, how much bread is there in the fridge? How many tomatoes are there in the bowl? Okay, I give you another sentences. How many vegetables do you keep in your fridge? Okay, or how many best friends do you have? How much margarine do you have in the fridge? Okay, let's see the next one about a little and a view. Okay, let's see a little first. We use a little for uncountable nouns. For example, there is a little water. There is a little sugar. There is a little salt. Okay, now how about few? We use few for plural countable nouns. There are a few books. So if you say there are a few books, that's wrong. Yeah, that's not correct. So the correct one is there are few books. There are a few students in P4A. There are a few people in the cafe. Okay, let's see. There is blah 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 wine in the glass. Which one is the correct answer? Okay, there are blah 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 children here. Okay, there are a few children here. Okay, maybe it's enough our lesson today about much, many, a little, and few. Okay, let me remind you one more time. We use many and a few for countable nouns. It is in plural countable nouns. And we use much and little for uncountable nouns. Okay, hopefully you understand very well and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.